Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Star Citizen installer error. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to add a registry using CMD. To do this, go to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy and paste it and press enter. The operation completed successfully. After doing this, you need to go ahead and restart your PC for the changes take effect. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to change the drive to NTFS. To do this, open up File Explorer, go to this PC, right click on the drive where the Star Citizen installed on. Just right click on it and select Properties. In file system, you need to make sure you having NTFS. So if it is not NTFS, then you need to right click on the drive and select a format. This will delete all the data from the drive, so you need to make sure that you back up all your files. So under the file system, click on the drop down and select NTFS. After selecting it, select start. Select OK. After format complete, click on OK. Now close it off here. Now right click on the drive and select properties. As you can see, the file system is NTFS now, and select OK. Once it is done, you need to restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you can install the Star Citizen in this drive we formatted as NTFS. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.